can't sharpen your knives? The answer is angle. All blades have different angles. Knife blade angles range from 21 degrees to 13 degrees. The problem is, knife sharpeners are at one fixed angle. If your sharpener is at 21 degrees and your knife is at 13 degrees, your sharpener is just not going to work. Introducing Angle Pro Sharpener. With its patent-pending angle gauge, you can easily tell the angle of your blade. Once you know the angle, you can then use the appropriate sharpening wheel to put a perfect edge on your knife. The Angle Pro is actually 3 devices in one. It hones, it sharpens, and it re-edges your knife. Through normal use, a blade edge will curve. The Angle Pro's ceramic honing wheels will straighten the edge. Over time, metal burrs will start to form on the blade edge, at which point the knife will have to be sharpened. The Angle Pro's diamond-coated wheels will remove the metal burrs as well as straighten the blade edge. After prolonged use, even the best knife will become worn to the point that it needs a new edge. With our Tungsten Carbide sharpening rods, your knife will become new again. No matter the shape, style, or blade angle of your knife, the Angle Pro Sharpener will always give you the perfect edge.